Hello there kids, today we are going to talk about the excretory system. Okay. The system that removes liquid waste from our body such as sweat, tears, and urine. Okay. Specific topic under the excretory system will be the urinary system. Okay, so main organs of the urinary system or the excretory system are the kidneys. Okay, main organ natin yan. Kidneys filter the blood. Tinatanggal nila yung certain waste doon sa blood and basically separating it from the blood para yung blood natin papasok sa kidneys at babalik sa ating katawan. Okay. Filters waste such as excess water and urea. Okay. So this is an illustration of our kidneys. One, we have the kidney over here. 1, 2, kidneys. 2, the ureter. This connection here. And we have the bladder. And the urethra. Okay. So kidney, ano nga bang kidney? Like what I've mentioned earlier, that the main organ of the urinary system under the excretory system. Okay, yan ang main organ ng urinary system under the excretory system. Ureter, basically where liquid waste exits the kidney. Lalabas siya sa kidney, yung liquid waste, and enters the bladder. So parang kuwan lang siya, daanan. Okay. The bladder is basically where liquid waste is stored before leaving the body. It's a small bag, it's like a bag-like structure. As roughly around as big as like a softball, or roughly around slightly bigger sa fist ni teacher Mark, not yours. Ganun lang yung kalaki. Okay, so this basically holds the pee. Yan ang nag-hold sa pee natin before our body basically releases the urine out of our body. Urethra naman is basically where liquid waste or urine exits our body. Diyan na yan lumalabas sa ating katawan. Okay? Through the urethra. Okay, we have other parts. We have A, aorta, B, the renal artery, C, the vena cava, and D, the renal vein. Okay, A, aorta is the largest artery of the body which leads blood to the kidneys through the renal artery. Papasok yung blood from our body system yan ha, from sa heart natin, specifically sa heart. Aorta, papasok sa ating renal artery. Okay, renal artery leading to the kidneys. Okay, again, sabi dyan sa aorta, largest artery of the body which leads blood to the kidneys through the renal artery. This is the renal artery over here. Yung red sa likod, leading to the kidneys. B, renal artery, the blood vessel that connects the aorta to the kidneys, leading blood from the aorta to the kidneys. So basically, information lang yung connection niya, aorta to kidneys, and of course, it leads blood from aorta to the kidneys. Different kasi ang renal artery at saka renal vein. Okay? So vena cava naman, largest vein of the body which leads the blood from the kidneys through the renal veins. So kidneys natin, parehas lang yan ha, kasi both naman may connection between the aorta and vena cava. Also for the renal artery and renal vein. So ito yung renal vein. This connects the kidney and the vena cava. Okay. Renal vein is the blood vessel that connects the kidneys to the vena cava, leading blood from the kidneys to the vena cava. Okay, may connection lang yan. I'm going to explain further sa next photo. Okay. From aorta, papasok yan sa ating renal artery, ang blood. Pagpasok dito ng blood ngayon, it will basically filter. That's the purpose of the kidney. Yung kidney natin is filtering our blood. Ibig sabihin, tinatanggal niya yung mga excess waste, other waste, liquid waste, to return filtered blood back to our bloodstream, which is, in this case, is the vena cava, through the renal vein. Kaya ang nangyayari, ang naiiwan dito ngayon sa kidney natin is yung maduming, yung mga waste such as yung pee, okay? Yung urine, urea. Okay. So again, papasok yung blood from the aorta through the renal artery to the kidney. And at the moment that our kidney is basically filtering the blood. So once tapos na siyang mag-filter ngayon, blood will now pass through the renal vein leading to the vena cava. Okay? Then from there, babalik na naman sa heart and to be pumped out all through our body na naman. Okay? And yung excess water and toxic waste leaves through the ureter as urine dito. Yung na-filter, that is not blood, na hindi siya dugo. Dadaan siya ngayon dito sa ating ureter. Okay. Diseases that affect your excretory system. One is the urinary tract infection. This is actually very common. Urinary tract infection or UTI. Kidney stone and kidney failure. Okay, urinary tract infection muna tayo. Okay, urinary tract infection or UTI. This happens when bacteria from your urine gets to your urinary tract. Okay. It makes it hard for you to remove liquid waste because of felt pain. Kasi masakit yan eh. Masakit whenever you want to pee. So, this is basically a result of eating mga medyo salty. Matataas yung level of salt sa pagkain. Okay? Yung mga soft drinks din, mga masyadong matatamis. Okay? So, iwas-iwas lang, especially sa mga babae, because this is basically common for female than sa mga lalaki. Okay. Other one is kidney stone. Okay, kidney stones. Literal yan ha. We are talking about real stones that actually forms inside your kidneys. Why? Parang components lang yan siya eh. So, formation of solid material from substances like calcium and uric acid in the urine. Stones form in the kidney. Small stones can pass through our urinary tracts while larger ones may need surgery. Nako. So, nakakatakot yung surgery. Kung ayaw nyo that this will happen to you, so please do be careful with your excretory system. Okay? Lower back pain is one of the signs of possibly having kidney stones. Ito, 1 and 2. Kasi yung kidneys nyo yan dyan sa likod eh. It is located yung sa lower back ninyo. Okay, not sa front, but lower back natin. Okay, and the other one is kidney failure. Well, by the word itself, no? Renal failure occurs when the kidneys stop working. Kidney transplant and dialysis are options to prolong life. So ito, transplant. In other words, if your kidneys will stop working na, you basically need a kidney transplant to replace your kidneys to a healthier one. Or you can also do dialysis. Both are actually expensive, no? It's just that if you're going to do the kidney transplant, isang beses na lang siya. Which means once you're done with the transplant, you can live your life normally. But for dialysis, you have to visit a dialysis section from time to time to clean your blood. Kasi nga, hindi na nagfa-function yung kidney ninyo ng maayos. So, which means that dirty blood flows through your body. So, madudumihan yung katawan ninyo. So, which is actually bad kasi you can end up dying. You will basically end up dying because of a kidney failure. Okay? So, ways to protect your kidneys. Eat nutritious food. Kailangan yan. Avoid foods that are too salty and high in sugar. Kailangan din yan, of course. Drink water from time to time, at least 2.5 liters per day or roughly around 8 to 10 glasses of water depending on your activity. Ano nga ba ibig sabihin ng depending on your activity? Kasi it depends if you are active masyado, if you play around so much, if you sweat more than usual. So mas maganda yung that you basically drink more water. Kasi once you sweat, you are removing liquid waste din sa katawan ninyo. So, you have to gain that water back sa katawan din natin. Okay, of course, yun na. consume as much water as you can. Not actually, kasi depende kasi, meron kasi masama din ang too much water. But basically, that's how much water you need in your body. Yung daily consumption natin, 8 to 10 glasses of water, minimum yan. Which means you can go more if needed. Urinate when you feel the urge to do so. So in other words, please do not hold it in. If you really want to pee, if you're inside the class, if you're just somewhere else where you can pee, just pee. Okay, what I'm trying to say is kung nasa classroom kayo, you're attending a class and you need to pee, pee. Okay? Pwede niya maki-excuse lang kayo. So kasi if not, then things can build up like yung kidney stones nga. That's actually one possible time for kidney stones to form in your kidneys because you're giving it more time for the urine to stay in your body. Okay. 10-item recorded quiz. Write your answers in a piece of paper. Take a photo and send it to me directly. Pause the video to read the questions. Okay, hindi ko nababasahin. I'm just gonna flash the questions to you. Pause the video and go to the next page and that's it. 1 to 10 lang.